Check this out guys, so today we have managed to get our hands on this 40-piece Dagashi Japanese candy sweet set. Now if you're like me and you're really fascinated by those candy vending machines that are situated around Japan, well you need look no further. Right now you can order online from a selection of variety sweet selection boxes. Within these boxes are candy and snacks that are very popular in Japan and get them sent right to your doorstep. So we've got one just here today and we're going to tell you what you get inside. Now this particular variety box I've got today is the 40-piece set. You can actually buy bigger sets should you wish, but we did in fact pay £17. That's around 21 in US dollars. This pack consists of 6 Umebo hollow tube corn snacks with many different variety flavours to choose from, like Tonaksu sauce, salami, cheese, teriyaki burger, corn pottage, salad, mentako, takoyaki, chicken curry, salted beef tongue, natto, sugar rusk, yakitori and chocolate. We've got 3 Ame Chan Japanese character themed sweets. For example, Hello Kitty, Pokemon and Pan-Man fruit and fizzy flavours. But we do have Fusen Bubble Gum too, and it comes in a couple of flavours. So we've got cola, orange and strawberry, with one having a Mario motif. Hey, this looks nice. We've got a Nestle mini Matcha KitKat, which is made from traditional green tea. We've got some Abekko Ramune melt in your mouth candy, that also comes in 5 different flavours. What's that? We've got a Hello Kitty chocolate marshmallow, a pack of baby bear gummies in various different colours and flavours, and yes, we've got a patch of Mochi Tarou rice crackers. There's some bear gums. We do have one in black today, and it will also leave the colour of your tongue black after eating. Oh, we've got some confetto sugar and syrup based candy. Very nice that one. There's one chocolate taro bar, which is filled with crispy puffed corn, peanuts and light milk chocolate. Now I have seen these on TV on YouTube, and we've got 18 Irani fortune chocolate candy balls that are supposed to tell your fortune upon opening them. We have an Orion mini candy drink, which is basically a soda can that's filled with hard candy. So yes, you will be randomly given either cola flavour, soda, Vita-C or peach flavour. Hey! We have some Pop Rock Panic Popping Candy. This comes in grape, cola or soda flavours, as well as having a sherbet pop. That is basically a lollipop in a bag of sherbet dipping powder. Hey, I've seen this before as well. So we've got some Yaitara, which is a pack of thin strips of grilled surumi that is basically grinded fish, which is good to chew on when having a beer. Well, if you're old enough that is. So to go with this, we do actually get some kids beer. Yes, kids beer, an easy to make powdered drink that once mixed will froth right up just like a real beer. What else do we get? We got some soda gummies, which are sugar coated chewy, grape, apple or soda sweets, depending on which one you get. We get 2 packets of chips, which are Texas corn chips and crispy corn puffs that come in fried chicken, pizza and takoyaki flavours. Okay, so there's just a few more items left, and we've got a Marshuro, basically a twisted marshmallow. We've got a coconut jelly tube made from, yes, fibre-rich cognac plants. There's Uncle Piero's roll cake made with a nice strawberry cream. There's a mini bottle of sherbet too, that again will randomly come in either lemon, strawberry or cider flavour. We do get a basic lollipop that is indeed to use with that previously mentioned popping candy. And lastly, we have Haichu candy, a Maken mini gummy shaped chew sweet, and Nericho soft do-it-yourself kit, which basically makes mini candy ice creams. And yes, we've got a Gudetama mini chocolate egg shaped sweet that is actually really highly popular in Japan. But yeah, that's it. That's what you get. You do get a little menu that explains everything to know about each and every sweet. So for example, if you've got nut allergies, it would be the best bet if you order a particular package to first read this little pamphlet. But like I said, you can order bigger and better packs. I do personally think this is a great idea, a great birthday gift, especially for any teenager, or in fact for any candy enthusiast. With this particular pack, you do get a great choice of sweets and snacks, and although I'd love to try all these out myself, unfortunately these will be for my daughter, who actually is really into anime, Japanese culture, art, and now sweets. So yeah, she's got a bit of a sweet tooth. So if you do want to try a pack for yourself, if you're really interested in these types of sweets and snacks, then go to the following website on screen. It will also be listed in the video description down below, so yes, go and check it out. Once ordered, it will take around 1 to 2 weeks for delivery, but yes, check that link out, and if you like what you see, well, why not go get yours? In that video description, guys, while you're there, please smash that like button. Please subscribe to this channel today, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now this is a different video than I'm used to. I usually do tech reviews, but this is indeed a fascinating Japanese variety pack, which I basically thought I would share. But as usual, guys, I hope you like this video, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching today. Peace!